Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Javi. In this video, I wanted to just talk about us loving ourselves. We spend so much time on other external things. We're always so distracted, so consumed by everything really. Our works, our needing to make money to survive and pay the bills, the attention of all the social medias, trying to hang out with all of our friends and family. We're always just on the go. And we never really have time to love ourselves. So in this video, I just wanted to bring some attention to that. And not only speak on it, but actually in this video I want us to all just be here with us. Give yourself the opportunity now to actually be present with yourself right now. Be in your space right now. Stop whatever you had going on right now. If this is not a good time right now, make it a thing for later on today to just really nourish yourself. Nourish your body, love your hands, love your eyes for seeing, love your ears for hearing, being in gratitude, and truly, sincerely grounding and loving yourself to be present here. This is so important because in this way we get to heal not only our physical body, but our mind of always thinking, always moving and going. So let's just sit, breathe, not have to do anything, not have to answer to anything. Just enjoy your breath, enjoy your space. This is very important because as we nurture ourselves, we are learning what it's like to truly love. We cannot love anybody else or anything if we do not first love ourselves. We must actually be the love and truly harness it and truly embody it. As we embody it, then we get to really expand in it. We get to really swim in that vibration. We get to truly heal and truly allow for our light to bloom and then expand it to those people around us. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you take time today to love yourself and nourish yourself, nurture yourself, eat some high vibrational foods, exercise. Take time to focus on you today. You are what's important right now. You is what matters. And you, I'm speaking to your heart, your true self, your presence, your stillness. Nurture that, develop that, let it be, let it flow into your experience. And let go of the personal you. Let go of the face of the person we put out into the world. Thank you guys. My love and respects to you guys. Namaste. Amitabah. Peace be with you.